Namaskar to one and all present here. Today, I, Shreyanshi Jain, is going to tell you about the great conjunction between Saturn and Jupiter. So, first of all, the question arises that what is this great conjunction? Let me tell you that in a year when social distancing has become the norm, how ironic that we will be celebrating something called the Great Conjunction, while we Earthlings stay at a safe distance from each other. Saturn and Jupiter are doing just opposite. On December 21st, these two giant planets will appear closer together in our sky than any time in the prior 400 years. The last time Saturn and Jupiter were this close, Galileo was watching. Commonly referred to as the Christmas star, this year's planetary shows promises to be out of this world on their closest approach at around 1 p.m. on the 21st. The two planets will appear just 0.1 degrees apart. By the time we get to check them out, that night they will already have started to spread apart, although they will still appear to nearly be touching. Now, in this picture, the Great Conjunction, it is showing that in the November 28, the Saturn-Jupiter were far to each other. In December 1, they come some close. In December 6, they come more close. December 11, they come more and more close. And December 16, they come too close. And December 21, they just touched to each other. So now over here the question arises that do these both planets ever cover each other up exactly? Let me tell you, that is truly a rare occasion. The last occultation occurred in 6857 BC and the next one not until 7541 AD. Now let me tell you what happened exactly in this conjunction. See, we all know that the planets aren't really close together at all. In fact, they are actually hundreds of miles apart. It is only from the vantage point of the Earth that they appear to be nearly touching. But over here, Jupiter being closer to Earth and to the Sun, then Saturn is moving at a much faster orbital speed than the Saturn's orbit speed normally. And from our perch here on the Earth, we are essentially watching Jupiter catch up to and pass in front of Saturn. Given that the solar system is tilted, we are watching at an angle, hence why it is so rare that they actually pass directly over one another. So thank you. Hope you understood the great conjunction between Saturn and Jupiter.